Today's April 30th, 2025. This is the after session morning recap of the trade. So I'm going to do the first 25 bars and then stop after that because that's usually when I stop trading or when I plan to. If I have trades going after that, it's only because I'm in a trade already and I'll just manage these stops. Anyway, so we had news overnight. Or 8:30 GDP gap down hugely, bear bar closing in its middle, expecting some sideways to down. We get a strong bear bar continuing lower, closing at its lows, expecting some follow through. We get some follow through, but it closes in its middle. It tests a little bit higher, then goes down, closing at its middle, expecting some sideways action. We get the trading range right there. We get an inside bar closing near its high, still expecting sideways. We get sideways bear bar closing below 4, so expecting some follow through short. We get that follow through closing near its low. So we got one leg, two leg. We got a huge gap. Expect this to continue a little bit further. It does not. We got a surprise bar closing at its high. So sideways up, we get some follow through there. So I'm expecting to go down, but then we get a surprise long. So this is the trading range right here. It gets a strong close, expecting some follow through, but it is a trading range. We get that follow through, closing its high, closing near its high, expecting some more follow through. Not much, but still a bullish bar closing near its high. Another one, expecting some more follow through, looking to get back up to the open. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strong bull bars. Now we're kind of getting some resistance above, closing at its middle, so we're going sideways. We go sideways to down, we close at its middle, still sideways. So trap bulls, trap bears. Sideways still, but closing at its high, possibly break higher. Pull back, push higher. So it's one. This is the second leg. We should enter this long, but then we get a doji, so we get a push higher here, but it's still sideways. Testing the open, we're testing the EMA. We're still sideways. So 1, 2, still sideways. 3. I expect we go sideways some more. We're at the EMA. Well, we get a close, a bullish bar closing higher. Bar 18, we usually see the high or low of the day at this point. So at this point, it's going to be the low of the day. Likely gap closed, anticipated. At least get up to 49 is the goal. We get another bull bar closing near its high. Expecting some more follow through. We get a doji, so possible trading range sideways. But we get some more bull bars, so we got this. We got some continuation, but then we find resistance there. So sideways to down possible. This whole thing could be a trading range. We get a wick below, but we close higher, so we're still bullish, but it is kind of going sideways at this point. And we get a bull close higher. So that's a good session right there. If I could have caught this reversal break above this micro double bottom at 6 and 7, enter at 8, stop below 6, and then stop below 15. And let's just see how the rest of the stop below 15, targeting 49. Kind of starts to pull back, but if we held our stop, we get a bullish bar right there. Sideways trading range. This evolved into a trading range. We get another test, another double bottom. And we would have hit target here. Even more. So oof. Yeah, we closed the gap completely. I don't know if I was expecting that. I mean, we're going sideways. I thought we could have ended there, but we even closed higher. So as long as I kept the stop below 6 and move it below 15. If I would have moved it tighter below 24, I would have got stopped out. But the idea is we would have held it below 14, sideways, and it continues, and then it pushes higher. So yeah, I'm going to be working on swinging trades and holding them much longer if I can. So that's that. So we basically took back all of the news bars. We're back at around yesterday's close, and we're pushing higher overnight.